Hypothesizing with modal verbs. Unlock the potential. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll unlock a significant skill in English communication, hypothesizing using modal verbs such as might, could, and may. These verbs play a crucial role, especially in academic and professional contexts. So, let's dive into the sea of possibilities and predictions, shall we? First things first, let's clarify what hypothesizing is. In a nutshell, hypothesizing involves making an educated guess or a tentative explanation about something. It's often used when we don't have complete information but want to speculate or make an inference about the possibilities. Now, let's understand what modal verbs are. These are special types of verbs in English that give additional information about the function of the main verb that follows it. Today we will focus on the modal verbs might, could, and may as they are often used when hypothesizing or making assumptions. Moving on, let's explore the modal verb might. Might is used to suggest that something is possible, but not certain. For instance, she might come to the party. Here, the speaker is not sure if she will come to the party, but it's a possibility. Next up, we have could. Like might, could, is also used to suggest a possibility, but often it implies a little less certainty. For example, if we leave now, we could catch the early train. Here, there is uncertainty, but with a hint of hope or suggestion. Lastly, we'll look at may. May is used to indicate a possibility or likelihood, though it's somewhat formal and often used in written English or in formal spoken contexts. Example: he may not appreciate the news. This sentence suggests that there is a possibility that he will not appreciate the news. All right, now that we've learned about these modal verbs, it's time for a practice exercise. Try to make sentences using might, could, and may. Remember, the idea is to hypothesize or express a possibility. Well done, everyone. You've just unlocked a new realm of communication by learning how to hypothesize with modal verbs. I hope this has been helpful and added to your growing English vocabulary arsenal. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a race. Until next time.